All right, here we go. All right, it's a big one today. It's kind of a bullshit one. I didn't charge enough for it. I'm tired. Well, this is from an app. And the apps always suck. All right, so here's this freaking Lawn Pro app. Lawn. I paid worth it. Shit, but I'm not busy. I want to earn a little money. I mean, it took 3 lawns, took me like 2 hours. It was like, I don't know, $105 or something. So I think that's what it is. That one was fucking big. And then this is the second biggest one. Then I had one that was smaller, and they all paid like 38 bucks. All right, so here's the front yard. I can't really get the backyard because the guy was out back, so. All right, so real simple lawn. You can always make a weedy lawn look nice. This is the best we can do for this lawn. I actually got the St. Augustine spread quite a bit. At the back, they don't need water. They need to. But, all right. Nice long lawn here. See what the back looks like. Ooh, it's all nice and long. All right, Mikey. All right, Mike, here you go. Back's done. All right, so here's the side, the front. All right, well, here, I guess you want a video of everything. a little long. All right. All right. Here's the front. I actually had 2 calls today, and I was on my way over here to do yours, and they were like, I was like, oh, I better come over here. Just like,